Kept it 100 on paper like Will, tricking it off on a paying a bill. That's just how I do the sauce in a spill. These hoes know how I pop it.
My bro, jy kan nie trek nee, kyk hier man. Daglip my bro. Nee man, hy lip as die bo gevat en dan so hier bo by die mustache vasgestitch, trek man. Ayyo, welcome back to the Brain Reacts, my mense. Kyk hier man, vandag is hulle hier by International Fridays, hier by Brain Reacts, elke Vrydag 7 uur. So this is what we gonna do each and every Friday. Elke Vrydag gryp ons 'n international artist en ons doen 'n reaction in ons mother language wat Afrikaans is. Verstaan jy? Ons change die game man. Ons change die game man. So ja, jy kan sien by die thumbnail en die title. Ons is hier by die GOAT man. Ons gebeur ons kop dit sommer af met Drake se Genesis Shut the Fuck Up mense. Hy is die naam wat ons gaan uitcheck. So anyway mense, dis 'n nuwe ene. Dis 'n Drake drop sommer 3 albums vir julle Kendrick fans. Nou julle te weet julle se bekke hou en op aangaan. So van my subscribers, julle wat Kendrick fans is. Hy is julle se story kou. Hy is regtig julle se story. Wat kyk jy vandag start ons vir International Fridays af. But anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and turn on your post notifications man. Julle ken mos al reeds hoe gaan ek al, verstaan? Julle ken mos al reeds hoe gaan ek. So kyk jy man, dat ek hier nog baie praat, let me get right into this video. And look here, for the people that came here thinking this is an English reaction. I'm sorry man. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, say your subtitles on man. Verstaan jy? Hopefully YouTube gives you some context or YouTube gives the correct subtitles. Because why? Dis slang Afrikaans. Dis jou regular Netherlands of wat die nie verstaan nie. Maar laat ek nog baie praat nie. Let me get right into this video. Drake, Genesis STFU. Julle weet mos wat staan hy man. So let's get it man.
Milliana, it's been so long since you.
Wait, by the way, Drake dropped a lot of music videos in one day. En ek praat nie van hoeveelheid albums nie. Daar wil hulle rappers nie so hard werk soos 'n man wat hy's famous as hy. Hy het meer geld as jy, maar hy werk harder as jy. Nou wanneer gaan jy daar uitkom? Dan moet jy se goeders reg kry man.
Texted me, I finally took a break and now I feel like I'm on ecstasy. You said what my work means to me will one day be the death of me. They tried to kill me once, but darling, you just resurrected me. Beach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you got.
Wait, Drake. So producer weer vir jou 'n dik stem opgesit, hè? So producer. Mense, hoor jy hy ding? Drake change his vocals my bro. Has 'n dik stem op hy ding. Like a deep voice man.
But darling, you just resurrected me. Beach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you got it.
Wait, Drake. Nee man. Maar bro, hoe kan die wel naskoene die? Daar is nie naskoene nie man. Ek hoop julle kan hy ding sien. Drake, die shoes my bro. It lyk nice man.
Beach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a BC, baby. Pull up, play back, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. Swear my label gotta free me, baby. Blow on me.
Oh wait man, so people Drake say, I swear my label is gonna free me baby. Want Drake skuld mos vir UMG albums. En toe besluit Drake, hoi, look ya. Take everything. As hulle nou. Free my man. Dat ek op my eie tokkie uitgaan, verstaan jy? Drake is smart mense. Die boete maak ander klas goeders hierso. Hy wil nie nog hier in 'n label en vassit nie. Even al skuld ek jou 10 albums, ek drop nou 10 albums, sommer nou same time, dat jy my net kan uitlos. Hy is Drake vir julle mense. Wat piep die ding man. Die mis maak dit is nie so lekker die ding hoor jy man. Maar anyway, wag, kom ek sê julle nog 'n ding. Pieps julle die flow of die chorus wat hy sing bro. Hy's van hy house song my bro. Sien julle hy house number of jy house number die bad. It came across as a house number, but is die house number nie. Julle weet waarvan ek praat.
Just like some gotta teach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a BC, baby. Pull up, play back, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. Swear my label gotta free me, baby. Blow on me just like some green tea, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Buried alive, someone come dig me up. If I call up your shorty right now, she picking up. You boys got big up.
Boy, people what Drake is saying. If that boy calls your shorty, hy gaan optel. She's gonna pick up, cause why is Drake? Verstaan jy? En hy is nie skam wat vir jou te sê nie. So, hou julle se dollars en nommers weg van Drake af mense. Julle wat hier in Suid-Afrika is, as Drake jou dollars en nommer in die hande kry, is game over. Is game over my bro. Nou dol gaan ek sê, yes, Drake kom man, moenie so, is game over brother. En Drake flex so wel gou. Maar Drake lieg man.
Hey, buried alive, someone come dig me up. If I call up your shorty right now, she picking up. You boys got big on my name, that's big enough. We know how you OGs rock.
You boys got big on my name. That's big enough my bro. Hulle gaan nie nog verder op my cloud ride nie. En ek wonder van wie praat die man. Maar almal wat 'n Drake feature het, is tot deur toe. Elke liewe mens wat 'n Drake feature het. Julle weet mos hy is julle se, ek gaan nie sê get out of jail card nie, but hy is julle se ticket man. Verstaan jy? So jy wat 'n Drake feature het of gaan eendag kry. Julle moet dit gou genoeg doen, cause Drake raak oupa en Drake gaan begin aftree my bro. Dis 'n ou man die my bro. Kom ons sê vandag hy dan. Dis 'n chill video man.
If I call up your shorty right now, she picking up. You boys got big on my name, that's big enough. We know how you OGs rockin' already, my nigga, the jig is up. They say the truth will set you free. Well, mine is gon' stream while you watching HD. They say that karma could take an eternity. Yours is dropping the same night as me. Funny thing is that they ain't gon' compete. You gon' get yours while I'm doing me. You gon' get yours while I'm doing me.
Hey Johnny, shut the fuck
Teach
up.
me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. Thought they had me in a deep sleep, baby. I'm still scorching hot in these streets, baby.
Wag man, yo Drake nou man, Drake man. Kyk die boeta. They thought they had me in a deep sleep, baby. I'm still scorching hot in these streets, baby. Pips hulle hy was alleen. Is so true boeta. Hy's true daai. Drake, hy man is hot nou al vir hoeveel jaar. Hulle luister nou nog tot vandag toe Drake. Ons het groot geraak op Drake. So Drake spit facts hierso. Drake sê die ding wat hy is. Dis 'n different legend die. Jy kry locals manne wat gevaarlik is, dan kry jy jou favorite rapper wat gevaarlik is. Nou jou favorite rapper, se favorite rapper is die man. So dis 'n different level van success en greatness mense. En ek sien julle die ding. So en ewe jy enig op die level kom, moet jy weet, jy's one of one my bro. Baie min mense kan dit achieve. Michael Jackson goed is op baie level. 'n Man se presence maak jy flow val. Wat kon vaar man in sy liggaam en as hy rondom hom is, dan val jy flow. Hy sterk energy boeter. Jy verstaan nie energy nie. Nou, ek glo Drake gaan baie van julle. As Drake net in die vicinity stap, dan begin 'n bewe julle almal. Julle is onrustig. Julle voel jong, wie is jy omdring en kyk, "Jo, is Drake." Nou verstaan ek hoekom voel my liggaam soos hy voel. Hy het ek van praat van 'n different level of energy and success, my bro. You can feel it in the room. Ek weet nie of julle al gesien het nie. Maar anyway, mense, ons is daarop uit om julle te laat bewe as ons rondom julle gaan kom. Gaan julle bewe, man. Verstaan jy? Ons wil Drake wees. Drake in a different way. Want ons wil hy energy afgee, jy moet ongemaklik voel as jy met presence is. Van is van, Therese die man. Sing jy soos die man. Wat ons manifest hy dan.
Pull up Maybach, beep beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. See-through shirt, I get a sneak peek, baby. Blow on me just like some green tea, baby. Hey, hey. Tired of all of y'all telling me niggas is real. Pussy, I know when it's real. You only come home to pose and pop off a look, but you forgot how I feel. Shot-town popping up here, go on a drill, looking for someone to kill. White kids listen to you, cause they feel some guilt, and that's how your soul gets fulfilled. Handing out turkeys on camera inside of your hood, then you go back to the hills. How many houses you build?
Ag, Piep wat Drake sê, jy hand out turkeys in jou hoed, en dan ga jy terug na die hills toe. Sy sê eintlik, sy doen eintlik 'n regte ding nie, man. Hoeveel huise het jy gebou vir die community? Jy bly turkeys af, maar jy het hoeveel geld, my bro, van wie praat Drake? Wie is hy persoon wat Drake van praat hierso?
How many souls did you heal off the back of your deal? Difference between niggas getting you out of your deal and letting you out of your deal. Damn, against your will, how many new names do you got on your will? Damn, how many more times is y'all gonna keep calling?
Ek weet nie wie praat die man nie, maar die man is basically van, how many names did you get on your will? Basically wat jy geëet het, meaning, hoeveel kinders het jy nou nog gekry weer? Kykie, mense, ons moet Drake se verse dissect, even if it's in English, ons dissect het hier op Brain X uit ding. Reg. Hoor wat sê Drake, man? Kom dan net big, man.
Feel some guilt, and that's how your soul gets fulfilled. Handing out turkeys on camera inside of your hood, then you go back to the hills. How many houses you build? How many souls did you heal off the back of your deal? Difference between niggas getting you out of your deal and letting you out of your deal. Damn, against your will, how many new names do you got on your will? Damn, how many more times is y'all gonna keep calling it soft when it's silk? Damn, how many more interviews y'all gonna do just to get ice to chill? Damn.
Vaar Drake, my bro. These people, hulle kan nie jou naam uit hulle mond hê nie, want is van, I'm gonna write the Drake, hy train, en even al luister ek vir my dikke nie Drake in, die trainkie van ek, hy Drake, I'm gonna write that train, my bro. Hy is wat ek gaan doen, omdat almal doen het. Ons hou van die hy train, ons hou nie van, hey, we love this guy, ons hou nie van hy train nie. Ons soekie, ons hate vir Drake. So julle mis alles wat julle mis doen, julle wil mis net haat, julle hou van, hy lekker man, verstaan jy? Maar wie is ek om te praat, my pa? Kom ek sê maar net die goede nie, voor julle hiring shift na my toe, maar die verskil van ek en die rest, ek worry genuinely nie, my pa. Ek worry rerig, niks van hy nie. Hy is nie my story, hy is jou story. Hy is jou eie story, hy is nie my story.
Trying to cover it up like a quilt. Rari go skirt on a boy like a kilt. Kept it 100 on paper like Wilt. Tricking it off on a paying a bill. That's just how I do the sauce and the spill. These hoes know how I pop it.
My bro, jy kan nie Drake nie. Drake nie, kyk hier man. Dak lippe my bro. Nee man, hy lip is die boe gevat en dan so hier boe by die mustache vastgestitch. Drake man. Nee man. Wat
For real, these hoes know how I pop it for real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I made way too much in a week. Must be 250 at least. Like the money just grew off a tree. Like the money just came in for free. For real.
Yeah, Drake, peep the flex. I'm on it maybe like 250 a week gemaakt. It's like die money grow off a trees. It's like die money come net hier for free. Hy kan het nie stop, hy probeer hy is weer nie, but die money kom net. Mense, ons moet allemaal bid en werk towards hy goal. Jy moet nie geld jaag, like, jy moet nie geld jaag, van, gewoonlik as jy iets jaag, dan hol hy ding weg, verstaan jy? So moenie geld jaggie, het trekt hom eerder. Verstaan jy? Moenie fokus op hom nie. Fokus op wat jy moet doen. 'n Product of a whatsoever jy doen of maak nie saak wat jy doen nie, but attract hom eerder rather than chasing it. Because why? If you chase it, it's gonna run away from you, Boeta. En baie van julle, hy geld hol. Hy hol. Verstaan jy? Dis hoekom as ek daai van as ek geld kry, dan gee ek hom weg, want dan ek soek jou nie. Moenie na my toe kom nie. Nou waar maak hy ding? Hy ding skep 'n ding van nou kom gewoonlik as mense nie gesoek word van mense nie. Dis hoe die mense nog meer attracted raak aan daai mense. Van daai mense is hard to get. Nou ek maak vir geld hard to get, verstaan jy? Daai julle nou gehoor. Ek is hard to get, man, verstaan jy? Ek wil net geld met die hele tyd probeer tot jy genoeg. Kyk, tot iemand genoeg kom en dan sê ek okay, dis nah. It's a crazy way om het so te stel.
Yeah. MRI machine scanning my knee. Like how long you been running the streets for real?
You know, go.
Yeah, she just text me like we. Huh? We in Paris like 200 deep for real. And I went bought a whip for my brother. Huh? Same body but 2 different colors. And I might just tell Kyle get another. Small price cause he kept it 100. And I might book a flight out to London.
Hey Johnny, shut the fuck up.
Big man. This number is different, brother. Oh man. Oh, wait. Je trekt eigenlijk. Oh, hij trekt zijn top in me, bro. Yo, ek moet sê. That Drake number was fire, my bro. Come argue with me, man. Come, julle Kendrick fans, kom argue met my, man. Sê vir my asseblief, hy song was nie gaan nie. En dan geef jy my jou rede hoekom jy so sê. Ek kan vir jou laat verstaan hoe onnozel jy eintlik is om nie te kan verstaan dat hy number gewees het, bro. Ek praat eens van die music video nie, cause why Drake het geld. Verstaan jy? Drake kan vir jou wys om te sê, daar waar ek nou lyn, hy hele karre hier gesien het, is allemaal myne. Is die rentals nie, het is myne. You know what I'm saying? So, ja man, look jy mense, hy was nou onze eerste episode van International Fridays. Is hy ding man, nee man, kyk jy man. That thing made me wanna do it more, verstaan jy? Hy so, gooi my suggestions, wat julle dink, of gooi tracks van International Fridays, wat ek kan uitcheck. Ander ding is, I'm not gonna dwell off of Afrikaanse music, my bro. This is just a segment in my week, verstaan jy? So, I'm gonna do it regularly, man. Ek gaan het gereeld doen. Ek kan nie woord sê nie, maar ek gaan het gereeld doen. So ja, daai is wat gaan gebeur, mense. But anyway, thank you so much for those that watched the video from start to finish. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on your post notifications. Onder op BrainWX, we drop on a Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. Fridays, International Friday. So yeah, but anyway man, kykie. Besides that, Monday I'ma give y'all a nice video, man. Monday I'ma give y'all a nice video, man. Only check it. So that's me, man, and I'm out. Let's get it, man. Yeah. Deep, baby. Ooh, on your phone and we go. Yo, I said deep sea, baby. Wat hy song?